Wrong way. Oh, okay. Go in there, Leo. No, wrong way.
Retard.
Oh, he found it. I think. Maybe.
No, I think you're in the bathroom.
Leo, where did you go? Oh.
Man, does this thing have crappy quality.
Oh. Leo.
How big is that to the screen?
Leo. Leo.
It's just a dark spot.
Leo.
Jared, have one of your famous wrestling battles with him.
Oh no.
Leo's gonna punch him in the eye.
Whoa!
Leo.
Oh,
Jared, let him go.
fuck you!
Jared.
Fudge.
Leo.
Man. Oh, Christ. Ah! Come on that! Whoa!
Both of his ears.
Oh! I kicked him to the side and he attacks you. Whoa!
Did you see that? He used his cow as a battle mace and hit you.
Jesus, Jared. You're throwing down with him. Ugh. Go away. Kicked to the side. Oh, Leo. Don't kill Jared. Woo. And he's down. You killed him, Jared. Oh, wait, no. Should I keep recording? One sec. Deadly puppy! Oh, kicked him in the head. What, did you have a battle scar, Jared?
Like 20.
He's dead as far as I know.
Hello?
He's in a joke. Oh, God.
Downstairs.
Man, does that dog know how to fight? Okay, Cameron, I'm going to get his ball. I'm going to let you hold it. He's going to attack you. You fight back. Epic battle of proportions. I don't even know what proportions means, though.
Hello? Yeah?
And that's just boring.